Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our iOS development tutorial series with UIKit by talking about how we can make a UI picker view the input view for a UI text field. Now, if you're familiar, we have the default input view for a text field is a UI keyboard. So it's just the keyboard, and you can specify the type of the keyboard and all that stuff. But you can have a UI picker view as the way to input values into a text field. And that's what I'll show you today. So right now, I have a picker view set up inside of our view controller because this is the easiest way to do it for now. This view controller, our main screen, is conforming to UIPickerView delegate and UIPickerView data source. We have all of the methods that we used last time. We have did select row at, title for row at, all that kind of stuff. However, our method for did select row is empty for now because we're going to do something special with that. And then we also have a UI toolbar set as the input accessory view for our UI text field. So we have a way to dismiss the picker when we're done with it. The done button in our toolbar is going to resign first responder on our text field. That's all it's going to do, and that will dismiss the picker. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, how do I actually make our picker view the input view for our text field? Well, for that, we would use the input view property of our text field. So let's go into Xcode. And I have our text field is color field. So we'll say color field dot input view. We're going to set that equal to picker. Now, picker is our UI picker view that we have set up. Now, what we can do is let's go down into our did select row. Okay. All right, now inside of did select row, what we're going to do is every time the value changes, we're going to say color field equal or color field dot text equals constants dot colors at the row that was selected. And so now, when we select black, the text in the text field will show the word black. And then same thing for red, green, blue, whatever the case might be. Whatever we select in the picker will be the text of our text field. Now we can save this, and let's go ahead and I'm going to run this. Let's see. I'm going to have to run this on the simulator. Toolbar. Okay. I actually wonder what it will look like on the Mac here. So let's go ahead and run this on the Mac and see what happens. All right. So let it do its thing. All right. All right. Now you can see not much really happens here. But if we go ahead and we run this on a different platform, And we'll run this on the 15 Pro Max simulator. Kind of just let it do its thing here. My apologies, my phone decided to start talking. But, okay, so here we are. We can start editing our color field. And so here we have our picker. And we can, let's see here. I'm going to have to use my trackpad here, and I'm going to have to find my mouse cursor because clearly doing the keyboard, operating it with the keyboard isn't going to work. So we're going to bring this kind of, okay, we're going to spin the picker and let it do its thing. Okay, now we can you can see that our text field has lavender in it because lavender is the currently selected color in our UI picker view. Now go ahead and tap the done button and it will dismiss, right? Let's see, I can either eyeball it and try to tap it, or I can just leave it. In fact, I'll probably just leave it because obviously it's going to be harder to tap the button when I can't see it. So that pretty much does it for this video, guys. Thank you all so very much for watching, and make sure that you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as well as follow me on Twitter.